Already we seen about the previous slide consisting of scanning devices, image capture devices. The scanner types of optical scanner, card reader, barcode reader, character and mark recognition devices. The camera types consisting of digital camera, digital video camera. Output device is media used by the computer in displaying response to our instructions, request instruction. Output devices consisting of monitor, audio speaker and printer. Types of monitor consisting of cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display. Types of printer consisting of impact printer, non-impact printer. Impact printer uses pressure by physically striking on the paper. Example, daisy wheel printer, line printer, dot matrix printer and band printer. Non-impact printer consisting of it does not apply any pressure on the paper but instead it produces a data using lasers, ink spray and photographic and heat. Next we will be seeing secondary storage devices. Secondary storage attached to the computer system allowed to store programs and data permits for purpose of retrieving them for further use. It attached to the computer system allows you to store programs and data permanently and for a purpose of retrieving them for further use. Hard disk, CD-ROM. The second use consists of hard disk and CD-ROM. Hard disk consists of ROM. CD-ROM also consists of ROM. RAM is random access memory. Hard disk made of rigid material, holds greater amount of data. Hard disk is made up of rigid material, holds greater amount of data. Optical disk is a standard part of modern desktop machines, especially used for multimedia purposes and preferred in loading applications. Next, we are going to see about optical disc, kinds of optical disc. The first one is Blu-ray disc. Optical disc kinds. Optical disc kinds consisting of Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc which enables store 40 GB of data. Digital virtual disc, that is DVD-R, it writes once, it stores 3.95 GB on data. Compact disc, it is CD-R, write once, it stores 650 MB of data. CD read and write is read-writable stores of 700 MB of data. Other secondary storage devices. The other secondary storage devices consisting of a solid state storage, no moving parts, flash memory cards and USB flash drives. The storage device consisting of solid state storage, no moving parts, flash memory cards and USB flash drives. Power supply concept is responsible for powering every device in your computer. SMBS. Switch mode power supply. Motherboard is a physical arrangement of a computer that contains the computer basic circuitry and components. The physical arrangement in a computer that contains computer basic circuitry and components such as microprocessor, coprocessor, memory, basic input and output unit systems, BIOS, extension slot and interconnection circuitry. Hence we have been seeing about a primary storage device, secondary storage device and secondary storage devices. Next we are going to see about expansion slot. This expansion slot is used for graphics cards, graphic card used for graphic explanations, sound card used for making sounds, modem card used for internet connections, and network interface card or network adapter used for internet connectivity. For high graphics, we are going for use of graphics cards. These graphics are used of high generation of RAM. This sound card used to generation high performance of sounds, and modem card used for networking, and there's a network interface and network adapter. Hence with this we are going to have, we are seeing in this video such as output devices, secondary storage devices, other secondary storage devices and expansion slots. Hence we have been saying when we see both the videos, we come to conclusion that these are basics of the computer systems and various different systems in the computer. And this expansion source is being used additional to the system Where we need high graphics, we use a graphics card. When you have sound card, use of sound material. Modem used for internet connection. Network is for LAN connectivity. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.